Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford F-150 grille. This task is quite manageable with the right tools and a bit of patience. You'll want to have a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a trim removal tool handy. Before you begin, make sure your truck is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off and the hood fully open. This entire process usually takes about 30 to 45 minutes to complete. Now, let's start by removing the top fasteners. First, you'll need to locate the 8 to 10 plastic pushpin clips that hold the radiator cover in place. Use your trim removal tool to pop these out gently. Once all the clips are free, carefully lift the entire plastic radiator cover and set it aside. Next, you'll see two 10mm bolts at the very top of the grille assembly. Use your socket and ratchet to remove these. With the top bolts removed, it's time to address any electrical connections. If your F-150 has features like active grille shutters or a front-facing camera, carefully disconnect their wiring harnesses. Next, you'll need to locate the several retaining clips situated along the bottom edge of the grille. These clips hold the grille firmly to the bumper. Apply gentle, yet firm, outward pressure on the grille to release these lower clips from their mounting points. After all the clips are released and electrical connections are free, you can now carefully pull the entire grille assembly straight out from the front of your truck. Take a moment to inspect all the mounting points on both the truck and the grille for any damage or debris. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps. Ensure all clips snap securely into place and all bolts are tightened to their proper specifications for a snug fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.